Rain is approaching from the southwest right now. You see the viewing area here in the rain southwest of Springfield. Notice all the rain down here that is moving northward with time. Now the upper low is spinning about right here. The surface low is near the Gulf Coast, but as it moves northward, it will pull all this rainfall northward, while at the same time cold air will be bleeding in tonight. That will change the rain, or tend to change the rain to snow with time. And it looks like we'll probably go to all snow, I would think, after 2 a.m. We'll start to see the snow overspread the viewing area. We'll talk more about that here in just a few minutes. For the evening, though, you're okay until once we get closer to 11. At that point, some of the cold air bleeds in a little bit, and as we precipitate, we rain, we evaporatively cool. The temperature right now is 42, the dew point's 28. Normally you cool off in between the two when it starts to rain or snow. So we'll cool off to 34 by 11, 60% coverage with rain mixing with wet snow at that point. Now, the snow will get going overnight, last probably till about noon tomorrow. But, you know, by afternoon will be 35 to 40 degrees, so there will be melting underway, and it will turn windy. We could get some pretty strong wind gusts out of the northwest tomorrow as that storm winds up to our east, perhaps 30, 35 miles an hour, and then a couple clippers near and then slightly after New Year's with perhaps a little light rain and snow and generally above normal temperatures. 30 to 31 tonight, area wide, as we change things over from rain to snow with time. And then tomorrow, as the snow exits, the winds crank up, 35 to 40 for the high, about 38 Lafayette, 36 Monticello. So the melting will be pretty substantial tomorrow afternoon. All right, there's the rain as we get into the overnight here, but notice what happens how we start changing it over to mainly snow. And there's the snow early tomorrow morning. And notice where the dark blue sets up. This will probably be our heaviest band. It may sit here and snow pretty hard for a while northeast of Lafayette, and then it slowly comes to an end. This model wants to keep it snowing a little longer into the afternoon, but I think it'll probably get out of here by noon in the viewing area. So overall, around an inch, Fowler, Remington, Kentland and Goodland down to Pence and Attica. Lafayette area, you know, Klondike might get an inch, whereas over on the east side of town, it may be more like 1.6, 1.7. Closer to 2 inches Burlington, 1 to 2 Monticello, 2 to 4 Rochester, down to Logansport, and where that heavy band sets up, it could snow pretty hard for a while at Peru, possibly towards Galveston and Deacon with 4 to 6 inches of wet snowfall accumulation. 70 forecast, 37 Wednesday, but the wind will crank up as the week wears on. So we got a windy day tomorrow, breezy Wednesday, Thursday, windy on Friday, and a lot of wind next weekend. There's that clipper on Sunday. Notice high temperatures above normal at 32, but not excessively above normal. We just seem to be running about 5 or 10 degrees above normal every day. We're not talking 60s or anything like that.
Snow just in time for everybody to go back to work tomorrow.
That's right, wouldn't you know?
Yeah, all right. Thanks,
Yep.
Chad. Just ahead, how you can help the state plant thousands of trees before it's